Well guys, this is the new car. It's a Datsun 240Z. And as soon as I get it unloaded there, we'll show you what else is special about this car. Alright. It'll be just a minute here and we'll have this thing on the ground. Hey guys, Mike's Gettin Greasy Garage. Well, it has arrived. 1973 Datsun 260Z. It was a pretty nice car. 74. Before it got hit or wrecked or whatever happened. You can see the wrinkles in the quarters here. And got punched in the other quarter. Deck loads of junk. And then got punched up here in the driver's front corner. Probably spun around. But the neat part about this car is things like coilovers and a small block Ford. Probably a 302. That's a 650 double pumper on it. GM alternator, Roush brackets, electric water pump. Now the radiator is still good. It's a brass radiator with electric fan. Flexi hoses, those will go away. Battery, even the battery still had juice in it. The Ford racing valve covers. Got block hugger headers and really nice exhaust that goes all the way out the rear. It's not dual, that's dual into one. Walk around to inside here. So, nice bucket seats. They stripped all the carpeting and everything out and bed lined it. And custom dash. All the gauges and everything. I made these door panels for it. So it's also a 5-speed. And the thing fired right up, runs good. Looked like they were having some runnability problems with it. We found a brand new MSD coil in there, or Edelbrock coil rather. But as you saw in the beginning clip, it runs really well. So the reason for buying this is my old man there, Dad. He's always wanted one of these cars with a V8 in it. Years ago we had one that somebody had stuck a small block Chev in. It was a rusty pile of shit. He never did anything with it. Nice inky wheels and tires. So anyways, all of this is going to go in another 260 body that we happen to have. And I'm literally gonna unbolt the front and rear suspension, drop it out, pull the engine, the transmission, and just put everything into the other body. Rather than just trying to swap over suspension parts and everything, I'll just swap over the whole works. And then when the other car does have some rust in the front floor pans down in here, you know, on the footwells and right in here. So we'll cut out this whole section, including tranny tunnel, and weld it in the other car. So if you have a Z and you're looking for some body cuts, the front frame rails are bent. You know, the roof was solid. Rear floor pans are Most of them are there that aren't bent up, but there's dog legs and rockers are pretty good. Hit me up. But it won't be till after we get everything that we want off of it. So anyway, yeah, that's the new project. Got all the neat stuff out of this and put it into another body. And this thing's weighed 2360 with the factory motor and interior and everything. So I gotta believe with, you know, 250, 300 horse, whatever that motor is. I'll run the casting numbers when I get it out. This thing ought to be a little rocket. I already found another wheel on Amazon of all places to replace the broken driver's front wheel. So yeah, this will be a fun one. I'll be working on this in between the Fairlane and everything else I do. So yep. Anyway, yeah, 2,360 pounds in a V8. So alright guys, well, stay tuned for this project. I'm gonna get going on ripping this one apart right away. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you would, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Ring the bell for notifications. All this stuff is free, doesn't cost you a penny. Really helps out the channel. And we are growing. Welcome to the new subscribers. Hope you see something you want to watch. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Alright guys, that's enough out of me for now. Alright guys, so since we don't have keys, we ran some jumper wires. I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up. Go ahead. See if this thing starts up. Should. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Thing's just sounding. The wiring on this thing's kind of a joke, but it's pretty good. Look at that thing for.